push-up gives an increase are a common make use of used by many to have more their middle part, heart and upper body. Please hit subscribe button for more interesting videos. Most like to cover push-ups into their daily make use of regularly order. Although push-ups mainly activate one muscles in the shoulder and arms, they are also working well at with attraction muscles in legs and middle part, heart. As such, they are good for building power throughout the body. Today, we will be focusing on the effects of doing 50 push-ups every morning. How will your body have a reaction after a month? We'll have a short account for you in the direction of the end of the viewing record. How push-ups act on our hearts. Push-ups private road your heart to work harder. The heart does not just pump blood to powering material, substance the arm, but it also does the same for your abdomen muscles. This unbroken stretch pumping gives greater value to cardiovascular power, which can outcome in operation clear-cut effects, like getting more out of heart state of being healthy and making price lower body fat. When the back muscles and tricep are stretched, they work together to undergo growth each muscle. So, when you are doing 50 push-ups every morning, it's likely that you can have a feeling of an odd small sharp sound or motion within these muscles. It may be causing fear at first, however, have knowledge of that it's good to push up your power as it keeps from taking place injuries from event, as well as making ready to do with art values of power. Effects after 30 days, giving effect to 50 push-ups every day for a month will completely activate that muscle group. For people who have not done 50 push-ups for a day in a while, chances are, the effects you will have a feeling of will be more said. That is because, if your muscles have not been put to work before, it's likely that the odd motion of your body will suddenly force it into acting. During the first month, you may see more weight loss around the muscle in top part of the arm, tricep and three-sided fields. For obese and overweight beings, they will see more able to be seen results since they have often had fats came together at one point in those divisions, nearby parts. As an outcome of that, the overall to do with art values and image of themselves will get more out of. In addition, you should be able to see some improvements in able to use power within a month of doing 50 push-ups, giving effect to 50 push-ups a day as a mass before. All the muscles that have not worked before will be working hard. Representatively, a to-do with man body used to give a reaction greater than 0 when under forceful physical activities like this. As an outcome, your upper body and abdomen square measure may have a feeling of greatly broken skin for some time in the first week. However, after a few weeks, your body should get gotten used to the force put down into these body fields, ranges. In that way, it will have a reaction by took away the overweight, special force that causes soreness. Sometimes, even after having completed a group of 50 push gives an increase the day before, you might easily grow tired of the physical operations to be stronger. Other times, you might have a feeling of that you can easily run the 50 push-ups without trouble. Short account push-ups are specially working well at making stronger the muscles on the top of the arm legs used for food. The muscles and tendons on the top of the arm keep the upper arm bone in place in the top of the arm hollow part of joint. Giving effect to 50 push-ups every day is deeply affecting. But it's also important to note that overweighting not strong muscles can lead to muscle and tendon wounds. As such, you may give thought to gradually increasing the number of push-ups first before jumping right into a more very strong, great training time map. All the same, if 50 push-ups a day will make you more pleased, then so be my person in another's place. After all, you have knowledge of your body most good.